Hello to all my friends out there. So on Halloween, I wanted to make a pumpkin cake. I didn't want to pay $3 for a spice cake, so I made my pumpkin cake out of a pumpkin pancake mix. So today I was in grocery outlet and they had these muffin mixes for 50 cents, and I thought, I'm going to try this. I'm going to try making a cake. And I already ate a little piece, and it is really tasty. Okay, now here is the spice cake recipe for pumpkin cake. And what I used is I used a small package. I think that package of pancake mix was only about 5 ounces, but these muffin mixes are 7. So what I did is I added 1/3, because I use half a batch because the muffin mix is small. So 1/3 cup sugar, 1 egg, and I had small eggs from Dollar Tree. About half of the oil, so about 1/6 cup oil. I used all the water. I was getting ready to make this, and I go, oh no! So I used half a container of Dollar Tree yogurt. I switched that out, and I used my applesauce instead of pumpkin, because this is one of my better ones, you guys. I could have made muffins and I could have made pancakes. And then I'm making some yogurt with the other half. This is plenty for a couple of cups of yogurt. So in my freezer I had frosting, so let's hope it's soft enough for me to spread on this cake I just baked. So if you can figure out ways to make like a cheap little cake for 50 cents, why not? This frosting comes with sprinkles, but today, I think it was 99 cents only, I found really tasty looking jelly beans. This is good. So, now that I have discovered this muffin and pancake mix can be exchanged for like cakes, or you can make pancakes out of your muffin mix, or you can make muffins out of your pancake mix. You can swap it out. So here's the candies, so I'll just put, this is a tasty looking, oh, I got all white ones. I need some red ones. Just a few around the edges. So this is a tasty little cake. A tasty, cheap little cake. And I'm going to be doing this reduced cost shopping every few days. It's really going to save money. So this is the second small cake I've made out of this. Okay, so my frosting is still a little bit frozen. And my cake is still a little bit hot. That's okay. It's delicious. Okay, now I made some tasty beans out of canned beans. And what's good about these is I use my bacon. I keep little packages of bacon in the freezer. So I fried my bacon. And then, I removed it and I cut it in pieces, and I added 1 can of navy beans and the bacon. And then I season my bacon with a little handful of minced onion. It could be regular onion. Garlic pepper. A little crushed red pepper. And then when the beans were almost done, I used a little sea salt, a little pepper, and about, I don't know, a teaspoon of sugar. Salt, pepper, and sugar. That's an old-fashioned trick. And I also used, I had about 2 teaspoons of bacon drippings in there. So here is my beans. Okay. So I bought my my applesauce, 50% off. And I bought my muffin mix, 50% off. And I will put the recipe on Twitter for you guys. And I will check it out and try to get the other recipes on there for you guys too. And so in my refrigerator, I still have some homemade bread. This is pretty good. Okay, now. Let me move over here. This is going to be yogurt. I'm cooling my oven down because I baked the cake. And then when it's cooled down, I have 1 pan of boiling water. And I'm going to put that in the oven to create a warm environment for my yogurt. Okay, this is 1 can evaporated milk. I always have that in the stockpile. Where is my evaporated milk? And one cup evaporated milk, 1 cup of water. And I cooked it until it bubbled. It was almost ready to boil, but not quite. And I held the temperature there for about 15 to 30 minutes. And then I took my yogurt out so that it's room temperature. And when this is cool to the temperature of a warm bath, I will stir the yogurt in there. If there's any scum on the top of my yogurt, I will take that out. Kind of like bread making. And then I'll put this in, and I'll probably just have it right in this little pan. And so then with this little amount of yogurt, I'll have 2 cups of yogurt. And I could save some, you know, and use it for a starter so that I wouldn't be running out of yogurt. So now, what I want to do is I want to make food using that cheap food that I buy marked down. So let's have a little piece of cake here. That wasn't good thinking to cut that, but too late. So there is my little apple cider muffin mix cake. And this is, you know, meals. If you don't have any bacon, just use a little bacon fat. Or you can use one, for a little can like this, maybe 2 teaspoons of olive oil, or you can use sausage. Salt, pepper, and sugar. A little onions and garlic. That's easy. Okay, now on these canned beans, you still have to cook them quite a while. It's not going to taste good if you don't cook them down a little bit. look at my moist, delicious cake, you guys. And this is a cheap cake. Now, I will taste it. That's good. Sometimes you can buy big, fairly big, like 16-ounce cans of applesauce. One of the ladies I follow, Dia's Frugal Life, she saves these jars and, you know, puts food and stuff in them. So, you know, I'm starting to get a few jars and they're really handy. So, here is my cheap dinner. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all.